Hi ladies, I am here again. Actually, this is the second time. The first recording did not go well. So here I am again to show you more about choosing your Studio 31 bag. Remember that with the purchase of $35, or with each $35 you spend, you can get a handbag for 50% off. That includes Studio 31. So I'm going to click here on Start Designing. This is the front of my webpage. So there are a couple options they give you here. Besides the build your own bag, you have our favorite combos, accessories, which means you can just buy straps or flaps, or build your own. First, let's go in our favorite combos, where 31 has kind of said these are the ones that we think sell the most or sell best, and we're just going to make it quick for you to purchase. So here's classic, build your own. Okay, here are some classic purse body examples. You do not have to select one of these. If you don't want one of these, that's fine. It looks like they have a lot of combinations here, but I think there are thousands of combinations in the end when you put it all together. Okay, and here we have the modern build your own, and then all the modern body ones. I recently got this one because I wanted some coral. I wanted the modern body. I love the modern body. I'm not using the strap really, and that's okay. I have it on hand to show anyone who wants to use it. Maybe I'll want to use it at some point. This is the one where I got the navy blue dragonfly on it. Down here, this again is not every possibility, but does show you some. So I'm going to click on build your own so we can see how to build your own. In my first attempt at the video, I learned a couple things, which is great. So I can show them to you here now. If you see, it's $80, and this includes a body, a flap, and a strap. It does not matter what size strap you get or which type of body. They are $80, which means you can get all of these for $40 if you spend $35. Hint this month, buy a flap and a strap. I think it is. No. If you buy 2 flaps, you can get the purse for half price. If you buy a flap and a strap and a key fob, you can get the body for half price, and then you get the whole thing for less. So what we have to do though is if we're building our own, we have to go way down until build your own. So you have to scroll way down. And you choose your body. Let's see here. Let's go with caramel charm. Okay. Then I'm going to choose a flap. Let's see. Let's go with, oh, this is a hard decision. Let's go with diamond straw. And then I'm a matchy kind of person. I like my strap to match my purse. And I'm going with crossbody. Okay, these all have a bunch of rings around them because they're all curled up. Starting here, it's a shoulder strap. Okay, now that I've selected those, this down here is just suggested items to go with. All lovely items. I love my little charm bracelet that I earned. Going back up. Okay, you can either add to cart as it is. I'm going to personalize it. So remember, I chose the caramel charm body with the diamond straw flap and the Studio 31 crossbody strap. Okay, back up to personalize. There's a personalization. I've been trying to figure out what I want it on. I'm not sure yet, and I'm not a big fan of the diamond straw, and that's just me, but I keep going. I'm kind of starting to warm up to it because of this personalization. Okay, I'm going to look for the pineapple. So that's in monograms, actually. It's not an iconic, it's a monogram because you have initials inside of it. Okay, and I'm actually going to keep it these colors. But down here, design color, if you look, Kelly green and golden yellow. That's what I'm going to leave it at. Choose text and color. Because it is a monogram, you have to have letters in it, and this particular one has to have 3 letters. If you decide you don't want letters, or if you're saying, I don't need anything, it's going to automatically default to MMM, which looks fine, but people might start asking you. So I'm going to put in, okay, the middle one's bigger, so the middle one is typically your last initial. So when I do that, my initials become ELM, ELM. Okay. I'm just going to click anywhere, ELM. And you know, I didn't think I would like how it looked. Oh, and if you change the color, it will change the color of the whole base of the pineapple. You know, that doesn't look too bad. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, there it is. Oh, I was so worried I lost it. I'm going to go back to that golden yellow. Okay, what some people have been doing is they put an XXX. Nothing dirty about it, but it gives a good texture to the pineapple. I think some people were trying O's at one point for snowmen. For the snowmen, yeah, that doesn't look quite right on there. So I'm going to go back to X's. And it gives it a nice texture. Okay, and then you can save and add to cart. Or let's see here. If you go up here, choose personalization. It doesn't. Okay, it doesn't. Some products, like say if you're just getting one bag, it would let you change the patterns, but because of what we're in the personalization studio, it does not let you change the patterns. Okay, so then you can just add to cart, or you can go back and change it. Say I choose a different flap. I'm going to click back. You lose all unsaved personalizations. Okay, hopefully you remember what you want. And I just go back down, and I have to start over, but that's not that big of a deal. Let's say Caramel Charm. Let's pick, you know what? No, Calypso Coral. And I am going to go with the Calypso Coral flap. I have this one at home right now. Matchy matchy again, right? For me. You might not like matchy matchy, and that's what's awesome. I'm going to personalize it. This is something I've seen, and I'm kind of tempted to do this, but probably not soon. Okay, is that people have just been doing like matching monograms, and they look so nice and classy. Let's see, but what were oh, here, let's just do all uppercase. Okay, choose text and color. They're all the same size, so then you do initials in order typically. So EML, and I'm going to choose, this is it, the coral. Oh, that's red. Where's coral? I know it does, oh, there, the peachy one. I know it doesn't look quite right. If you need the color right here, you see the name of the color. On here, it doesn't look like it matches, but matches very, very well. So let's try curled. No. Let's see here, rounded. That might look nice, and it looks really matchy. Maybe at some point I'll post some pictures of that. And then you can save and add to cart. And there's a little introduction to how to build your own bag. Oh, let me go back. Let me show you one more thing. Studio 31. Leave. I'm not going to make any more changes. If you just want more flaps or straps, okay? So, favorite combos, build your own accessories. Say you have your purse, you love it, you want to keep using it, but you want to change it up a little bit. Okay, accessories. So then we scroll down, and you can buy a different flap or a different strap. I think I've got about 4 straps here now. I didn't mean to get that many right away, but I do now. So if you want to see one, so you can just add a strap or flap, really easy. You know, you can just keep it plain, or for $10 or $8 for letters, or $10 for an icona. You can personalize it. Roncalli just made it to state today, so this looks kind of like a basketball. This looks kind of like a basketball net, doesn't it? Oh, here you can change your print. You couldn't do that before, but now you can. Choose personalization. You couldn't do it before because you were in. We were in the Studio 31. We're building a whole bag. All right, put in the basketball. I wonder how this would really look. I wonder if someone's done that. Choose text and color. I'm going to keep it the orange basketball. Save and add to cart. And then you can refresh your purse, or say next season, say in the fall, you love your purse, but you want to make a little more fall, you can just add a flap. Then you don't have to get a whole new purse. All right, well, thank you for joining me, and I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, ask me, whatever. All right, have a good day. Bye.